Want to know how to turn $500 worth of lip glosses into a six-figure business using just your phone? 3 months ago, one of the cosmetics TikTok video went viral with 2.3 million views, generating $43,000 in sales in just 48. The best part, the person did all from his bedroom, and today, I'm spilling all the secrets. Stay until the end because I'm sharing the exact content formula that makes a product sell out in minutes. Hey, beautiful people, before we dive in, let me drop some truth. The beauty industry is projected to hit $580 billion by 2027, and social media is driving most of these sales. If you are not claiming your piece of this pie, you are leaving money on the table. So let's change that today. So part one, so foundation setting, so like foundation, like setting up your beauty business. First things first. So let's talk about inventory and basics. So start with 2 to 3 hero products, like less is more. So focus on trending items. So like lip oils and face glazes. So then create Instagram worthy packaging to develop your unique brand story. Your brand story isn't about makeup, it's about transformation and confidence. So, part two, the second part, the TikTok money making formula. Here's my viral content recipe. So, one, so with the hook, like 3 seconds kind of. So, this lip gloss just made me 10K in one day. So, you can use this as your hook. The product Victoria's Secret models are obsessed with. This is another hook that you can also use. So two, the content types that convert. So before and after transformation, like 15 seconds max. Then GRWM, that's get ready with me, featuring your products, like behind the scene of product making. So then product drops with countdown timers. So secret makeup hacks, like using your product. These are the hook you can use in your post. Then three, yeah, your posting strategy. You can be doing like 3 to 5 videos daily. The best times 9 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. So you need to use trending sounds and effects. So engage with a comment within the first hour so that your responsive rate can shoot up. So if you are ready to start your beauty empire, drop the lipstick emoji in the comment section. So part three, the Instagram strategy that sells. So here is the Instagram game plan you can copy now. So one, feed post. So you need to do high quality product shots. So then user generated content, then educational carousel posts, like behind the scene content. Then you need to share your customer testimonials on your stories. Then two, the story strategies, like the daily product teasers. Then you do audience poll, then share customers review, countdown to launches of your new product or your brand kits. So then show your personality. So three, the real formulas. So you need to do like product close-ups with trending music, like quick tutorial, packaging porn, so and how it is made videos, then influencer features. Then talking about moving into the part four, you can leave comments below if you have questions to ask. The part four will be like the sales funnel that works. So here is how to convert viewers into buyers. So one, so hook them with viral content. You need to pick one of your content that has possibility of going viral. Then two, drive to your Instagram shop. Then build email list with exclusive offers. Then four, create fear of missing out with limited drops. So like then you reward your loyal customers. So part five, scaling your beauty empire. Here is the growth blueprint you can follow, and with this you can get your desired result in no time. So collaborate with micro influencers. So you can also create affiliate programs. So launch unlimited editions, build a VIP customer group. So then expand product lines strategically. Before the end of this video, let me give you the game changing secrets. So you need to use trending audio before its peak. Create product bundles for higher AOVs. So then show real skin texture and results. So leverage a user generated content. Always include a call to action in every of your posts so that people can know what to do. So if you are ready to start your business empire today, so you can simply start with this guide. And if you have questions, you can simply reach out to me. I have like top 50 TikTok hooks, so content calendar templates, supplier lists, so hashtag strategy, so that you can also follow. You can reach out to me via my WhatsApp number. You can leave comments below. So remember, success in the beauty business isn't just about having great products. It's about creating content that connects and converts. So you need to hit subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly beauty business tips. So next week, I'm sharing my exact product photography setup that costs less than $20. So I won't like you to miss out on this. So till then, bye for now.